Good morning, class 7 children. Today I will give you some question answers. It is, you can say it is extra, not from the exercise. Exercise, please children, you will do by yourself. These questions I am giving, and I will give another questions also from the chapter. Exercise you will do, then you can do it very properly, all the questions from the exercise. First question I am given here. Define the following terms. These terms you should write the answer from your book, from your text. Understood? It is not, maybe it is present exercise or maybe it is not. If it is present in exercise, then don't do from the exercise. But here you have to do. Excretion or definition of excretion, pelvis, dialysis, glomerulus, Malpighian body, ultra or glomerular filtration, selective reabsorption and hilus. These points you have to define. Now children, second question. Write full form of. All these abbreviations are given here according to your chapter, and you have to complete the full form of it. UTI, urine tract infection, ARF, CKD, ISRD. You have to mention the full form of it. Then third question. It is not in your exercise, but I have given from your chapter. So please write in your own language. Maybe the answer will be 2 lines or more than 2 lines as you are writing. See, first question. Why is liver also said to be an excretory organ? As children you know that liver will change our hemoglobin, which are dead, or RBCs, probably RBCs which are dead. After that, globulin protein will be changes into bile pigments, and this is done in the liver, and these bile pigments are very harmful. So these bile pigments we are excreting out with our feces. So in this way, liver is also considered to be as an excretory organ. Then why is skin also known as excretory organ? Because skin will release some sweat, and when it releases some sweat, so there is the ejection or excretion of some ammonia along with that secretion, and then this ammonia also will be, or uric acid or pungent smell whatever you are getting through the perspiration, this is the excretory material. Same way, why is lungs also said to be an excretory organ? Lungs will collect the carbon dioxide, which is very poisonous for our body, and this carbon dioxide can be released by the pressure of the lungs while exhalation. So this is also known as excretory organ. Yet in carbon dioxide there is no nitrogenous material, but it is poisonous, so excretion of the poisonous things done by the lungs, that's why lungs is called as excretory organ. Then next is, why is glomerular filtrate cannot consider as urine? After the glomerular filtration or ultrafiltration, all the things which are soluble in water comes inside the woman's capsule. But it is not the urine, because all the essential things, as suppose sugar is soluble in water, so sugar will be there. Amino acid is soluble in water, so amino acid will be there. Some vitamins are also which are soluble in water, they are present in it. But it is required by our body. So that's why glomerular filtrate we can't consider as urine. It is not a perfect urine. After that, next question. Why is reabsorption is necessary process or phenomenon? When there will be reabsorption, all the essential materials can be reabsorbed by PCT, and even in that chapter I told you, proximal convoluted tubule PCT and loop of Henle. Water and other essential things are absorbed by it, so this is known as reabsorption, and that's why this reabsorption is a quite necessary or important process or phenomenon. So in this way you have to complete all these 8 to 5 statements. You have to mention their reason why it is like that. Understood, children? So please note it, and you mention in your copy everything. Don't ask about the exercise. Exercise you have to complete. As you will complete your chapter, then exercise you can do by yourself, and these questions also you will complete. Thank you, children. God bless you. Now children, for today it is over. Complete all these questions from exercise also, and whatever I have given here. In the next video I will give some another type of questions, as suppose one word answer, some long questions, some short questions. Again I will give you. Okay children, thank you. God bless you.